Hey guys, this is Dee from Simply Dee Beauty. Today's video I want to show you some single eyeshadows I picked up from Dior. I was able to get 4 shades from their Margot Couleur Couture or the high color eyeshadow. This is what they look like. I already have my fingerprints on them because I just used them. I have them on right now and I'll show you a demo in a couple of minutes, but first let me show you what they look like and talk a little bit about each shade. And it's 6-month shelf life and it is 2 grams, so that's pretty good, and they're very easy to work with, very nice. And let me show you the shades one by one. I already took out the little applicator because I don't use them and they always fall off when I open them, so I just took them out. This is the shade Sienna. I'll do a swatching right after I show you the 4 shades, but this is Sienna, which is the orangey color that I have on the outer area of my eyelid. And then there is also the shade, oh by the way, the first one I show you is in a satin formula and this is in a glitter formula. This is Coral Look. And then there is also Beige Mista, which is the metallic formula. This one was beautiful. It has like this grayish taupe kind of shade. And then finally we have Tulle, which is also in the satin formula, like the orange one. So let me show you a swatch so you can see them side by side. Oh, in case you can't tell, it does have the CD, the initials, CHRISTIAN Dior initials in the center, and it has a nice size mirror as well. Okay, so this is what it looks behind my hand. I didn't have to go back twice. This is just like one swipe. And I'll show you the colors. This is, the first one is Coral, what was it called? Sienna, I'm sorry. This was Sienna. This is the Beige Mista, if I'm not mistaken. Beige Mista. And then we have the third one. The last 2 are very light, so maybe the camera won't pick it up. So I'm going to swirl my hand just a little bit like that so you can see it. The third one is Coral Look. And then the 4th one is the Tulle one. I think the first 2 are beautiful. All 4 are beautiful. The first 2 are more pigmented for sure, but the last 2 are really pretty as well. So now I'm going to show you a little demo how I got this look. So yes, that was the demo on how I got this look, and you also saw the swatches. I still have them here. They're beautiful eyeshadows. I do plan on getting more shades in the future because they're very easy to work with and you could wear them by themselves, you could use them together, you could use them with other eyeshadows, so that is great. And they do have a 6-month shelf life, so I really have to work them out and use them so they won't go bad on me. So yes, this is my video for today. I'm gonna leave the links of everything that I'm wearing today, including the shadows and everything else that I have on. I'm gonna include them down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.